Alright, so what's up guys? Today I'm going to be cutting the fenders on my 1994 Dodge Dakota. As you can see, they are really rusted out to the point where I can bend them. Pretty dry rotted, so we got to get those out of here. I'm going to use the grinder, cut a good amount of them off, probably cut up to here. Follow this line I made with the tape. Obviously you can't see the tape, I took it off. Gonna throw some tape back on, use it as a guideline, cut along here, get this fender off, then we're gonna go through and we're gonna cut this inner fender right here, and hopefully we can get it rust primed, get it sealed up tonight. If not, that'll be tomorrow, but I'm gonna get to it and let's get some work done. Alright guys, so obviously you're probably thinking, wow, did a whole lot more pulling than cutting. And you know what? You're not lying, because it just pulls right off. It did come off fairly simply. Cut this rubber guard now. Need to cut off a lot of the things that are behind it. So, got everything off. Obviously, I have, my whole fender right here, and it's honestly pretty heavy, but we're going with the weight reduction, I guess. So, back in the rain. I don't know why, but we live in Michigan. That just kind of happens. I already said this. Kind of cut those little rubber linings out right here. Should be about it for tonight. For this side, I gotta clean this up though. Kind of bad. Well, I cut these rubber linings out. That's all I had left to do on this side. I do need to get a new grinding disc though. This one's getting a little small. This doesn't even work. Wow! I got it off. What the? I'm falling apart. But now that I have this off, screw the floppy disk on. Alright guys, so unfortunately, it's going to be it for today. It's starting to rain a lot more. It's getting cold on me. I don't like working in the rain, especially not doing stuff like this. It's not fun. It's tedious work doing it in the rain. Not ideal. I'll probably grind driver's side tomorrow. As far as work on the truck goes, I'm done with that for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Obviously, this sure is not the tip of the iceberg for this truck. There's going to be a whole lot more that I'm going to be doing to it. Stay tuned. I know you guys are going to love it. Also, updates on the Mazda build. I do have a lot of it done. Problem is that a lot of the footage for the build isn't great. Audio isn't very good. I know it's not going to be good for this video either, but for the Mazda build, you can hardly hear me half the time, which I understand. I get it. I know it's bad. I know I'm gonna get a mic, don't worry about it. As far as like being out in the elements goes, I know a lot of the wind noise isn't good either. Probably get one that attaches right here, that way you can always hear me. But other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later.